Okay, so let us go to our problem solving part for analytic geometry. So this is problem number 1. A distance from the origin to the point, origin to the point, negative sine theta and cosine theta is equivalent to. Okay, so we will use the distance formula. Okay. Drawing muna natin siya. Mas convenient yan na i-drawing natin siya. So, from the origin, pag sinabing origin, that is the 0, 0 point. Tandaan nyo, this is 0, 0. Okay? And then, to a point, negative sine theta. Ay, hindi natin alam kung saan siya. Pero kung meron kang point na somewhere, negative sine theta and cosine theta. Nasaan ba nagiging negative ang sine and cosine theta? Tinuro ko sa inyo sa trigo yan. But we will not elaborate it anymore. Gagawin natin, ipasok na agad natin siya dun sa ating distance formula. Okay? The distance formula is equal to yung square root ng ng x sub 1 minus x sub 2 squared plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 squared. Okay, naka-absolute value. So, D will be equal to, okay? So, 0. Gawin nating x sub 2 ito, and then y sub 2. Yan. Lagay natin dito. So, you are given ng x, negative sine theta. Tapos, minus 0 squared plus cosine theta minus 0 squared. Now, simplifying, canceled out na yung 0. Sine squared, okay, D. Yan. You are now, square mo yung negative, di magiging positive. Sine squared theta. Plus, square mo ulit to, cosine squared theta. Now, recall your trigonometric identities. Diba, this is a Pythagorean identity. Tama, diba? Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Pythagorean identities. Okay? So now, this is D equal to the square root of 1. And the square root of 1 is still 1. So the distance from the origin to the point that is given is 1. 1 unit. Okay? That is for problem number 1. Problem number 2. The triangle defined by the points A, B, and C is what? Anong uri daw ng triangle to? What type of triangle? Ang dami natin type ng triangle, di ba? Meron tayong equilateral, scalene, equiangular, pareho lang na equilateral yon. Obtuse, yan, right triangle. Tignan natin kung anong mapo-form niya. Okay? We will use we will use GeoGebra. Okay? We will plot the points. For plotting ng points para mas madali. Hindi yan Hinebra, GeoGebra. So, classroom resources. Okay. So, we can calculate, okay? Yung distances niya. So, we will, point A, lagay mo dito. Lagay mo ayun. 6, 1, ayan. Another point, point B. Tignan nga muna natin dito. 2, 4. Ayan, 2, 4. 2 and 4. Ayan. Tapos, negative 2 and 1. See? Negative 2 and 1. Negative 2. Delete ito. 2 and 1. Yan. So, we will connect the points. Okay? We'll connect the points. Here. Yan. Yan line. To here. Then. Ayan na. Ayan. Ito. Tsaka ito. Tapos, ito tsaka ito. From here up to here. Makikita nyo yung triangle nyo. What is in here? Makikita nyo yung kanyang length. So, makita mo yung line formula, tapos yung line equation. Makikita mo na ngayon dito yung length ng line. So, what is formed? Ano ba yung na-form na triangle dyan? A right triangle, isosceles, scalene. So, the best way for you to do it is to what? Tingin mo? What is the best way? Siyempre ito, tignan mo pa lang, oh. Alam mo nang equal ito. Ito na lang ang problema mo, yung ilalim. So, from C to A. Now, you are given nung triangles na yon, so we will solve, okay? From A to B, C to A. Yan. Hanapin muna natin yung A to B. Tapos yung B to C. Tapos yung C to A. Yan. Hanapin natin A to B. Okay, distance formula. Square root. B to A. Unahin muna natin to x sub 2 muna. X sub 2, x sub 1. Ayun. X sub 2 is 2 minus 6 squared plus yung y sub 2, 4 minus 1 squared. So, the length will be 2 bali 4. Squared mo, 16 plus 9, that is 25. Ang square root ng 25 is 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Ayan, 5. Ito, 2 square root of 17. Then, therefore, dalawa yung pantay. So, that is an scalene. So, pantay ito. Ito, hindi. Scalene? Hindi. Scalene tuloy. That is a, ang tawag dito? That is a, yung triangle na dalawang pantay. Limutan ko tuloy. Equilateral, scalene obtuse. Ano nga ang tawag dun sa isang triangle na yon? Binanggit ko kanina. Isosceles, ayun. Isosceles. Dalawa yung pantay. Okay? That is for problem number 2. Problem number 3. How far is the intersection of lines 4x minus 5y equal to 26 and 3x plus 7y from the origin? So, let us draw again using GeoGebra. Okay, graphing calculator again. Leave tayo. Okay? So, graphing calculator, you are given nung line na pangalawa. Okay? Meron akong karagdagan pala dyan. Okay? Para malaman nyo. May karagdagan tayong kaalaman. If your line, tandaan mo, if your line is leaning to the right, okay, the slope here is positive. if that is leaning to the left, okay? Your line is leaning to the left, M is negative. And if your line is nakahiga, that is 0. And if your line is patayo, that is infinite ang slope mo. Okay? That is yung karagdagan nating kalaman. Again, go back to GeoGebra. So, what is the equation of the line? 4x plus 5y equal to 26. Copy natin to. Pwede natin i-paste yan eh. Okay? That is your line. Makita mo dito. Okay? This is the line. Where, ano to? Makita mo yung coordinate niya. Yung y-intercept and then the x-intercept. Okay. And then, 3x, Control C. From the origin, pwede mo ulit ilagay dito yung input mo. Ayan. So, how far is the intersection of this line to the origin? Okay. How far? Gagawa tayo ngayon ng line. So, point. Okay. This point daw. Ayan. And then, this is the point of the origin. Ngayon, i-connect natin yung line na yan. From here up to here. Gaano daw kalayo? Yun yung tinatanong sa kanya. What is the length of this line? Okay? Now, hindi natin alam yung intersection nito by solving. Okay? Tanggalin natin. Okay. Calculator na tayo. Ano yung kanilang intersection? Pwede mo ipakita yan eh. Okay? What is the intersection of this line? They intersect at 4, 2. Okay? They intersect at 4, 2. Tuturuan ko kayo ng technique kung paano nyo malalaman yan. Go to your calculators. Okay? Tandaan nyo that you are given this line, yung 4x minus 5y equal to 26. Pakihawakan ng mga calculators. 3x plus 7y equal to negative 2. Okay. Meron ka ditong A, B, C. Okay. Go to your calculators. Okay. Hawakan calculator mode, equation 5. Tandaan nyo, alin dito yung ax plus by plus c. Okay? Itong dalawa. Yung 1. Mode 5, 1. Tignan mo, ilagay mo yung 4. Dito sa taas, negative 5. Tapos 26. Tapos 3. Malalaman mo kagad yung kanilang intersection. 3. Tapos 7. Negative 2. Be careful and be mindful of the sign convention. Now, the intersection is 4. Kaya natin dito. That is x is equal to 4. And y is equal to, check natin, negative 2. Diba? 2 equations, 2 unknowns. You can solve for the intersection of the line. Now, tama, diba? They intersected at 4 and negative 2. So, nag-solve ka ba? Hindi na. Ngayon, ang tinatanong dito is, how far is it from the origin, point of origin? From 0, 0 to 4, negative 2. Ayan, the distance. Now, you will use distance formula again. Oh, the square root ng from here to here, the point 2 to point 1. Okay. So, 4 minus 0 is squared plus yung negative 2 minus 0 squared. Calculation mo, 16 plus 4, square root ng 16 plus 4. Okay, that is 20. So, 4 is square root of 5. Bale, mga 2 square root of 5 yan. 2 square root of 5 units. Okay? That is for the problem. Gamitin nyo yung GeoGebra since online naman tayo. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-plot ng points. That is the technique. Okay? Kahit sa calculus nyo, pwede rin kayong mag-plot doon ng curves. May kita nyo yung area doon sa curve na yan. Okay? That is another technique na tuturo ko sa inyo. And for number 2, find the coordinates of the point P that is 2/3 its distance from, yan, binigyan ka na ng line segment, 2/3 of its distance. Two-thirds of its distance from A and B, measured from. Yon. From ano yan? From A daw. From A. From A. Measured from A. So, i-plot muna natin yung points. Okay lang? So, another plotting na naman. GeoGebra na naman tayo. Okay? Graphing calculator. You are given the point 1, 8, tsaka 7, 1. Point A natin yan. Okay? Point A. 1, 8, 7. 7 and negative 1. 1, 8. Point ulit. Okay, 1 and 8. Okay. Muna yan. This is 1, 8. 1, 8. Tsaka 7 and negative 1. 7. Dito sa gitna yan. 7 and negative 1. Ayan. I-connect the points. I-connect the points. Line. Here. And here. Ngayon, 2/3 of the distance. Hindi natin alam. Yung PXY. 2/3 of the distance. So, hindi natin ma-divide. So, this is the point. So, that is the point. Ngayon na alamin natin yung kanyang, naglagay ako dito ng point, somewhere here. Ayan. Sabi dito, this is 2/3 yung distance daw. Itong distance na ito, from here up to here, 2/3. Okay? This is P. Meron tayong coordinates na X and Y. And this one is 1, 8. Tapos ito, this is 7 and negative 1. Okay, negative 1 yan. Alamin natin daw yung distance nitong dalawa gamit yung ating distance formula ng nitong ating line segment. So, this is a ratio. Okay? 2/3. Dito na. 2/3 yung distance ng 2/3 of the distance. Di ba binigay sa'yo yung P? Di ba? P, P1 over P, P2. Ayan. So, 2/3. Ano ba yung coordinates ng P1, P2? Gamitin mo na lang yun sa X muna. That is X minus yung coordinate nung dito, nung X. X minus X1 dito. X. Hindi. Yung X2 minus X1. Tapos yung sa Y, 2/3. Yung ganito pa rin. So, that is Y minus Y1 over Y2 minus Y1. Ngayon, pwede nating masolve. So, X, hindi natin alam. Unknown yung value ng coordinate na yon. So, the coordinate minus yung 1 over 7 and 1. Ito naman, yung y minus y1 is 8. dy2 is negative 1 and 8. Okay, masolve ba natin yung y? Yes. Solve natin ha. 2/3. Ito munang una. 2 times 6 equal to 3x minus 1. So, this is 12. 3x minus 3. 3x will be equal to 12 plus 3. This is 3x equal to 15. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5. That is the coordinate of x. Now, dun sa y naman. So, 2 multiplied by negative 9 equal to 3y minus 8. 2 times negative 9, I think that is 18. Negative 18. 3y minus 24. Ilipat natin on the other side. 3y equal to 24 minus 18. That is, I think, 6. 3y. Divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 2. Now, the coordinates are 5 and 2. Okay? That is the answer. That is for problem number 4. For problem number 5, what is the length of the line segment with slope 1/4 that extend from the point 0.64? What is the length of the line segment? So, drawing na naman tayo dito. Diba? The line segment. So, the slope is equal to 1/4. Tapos, meron ang given na points. 6 and 4. Somewhere on your line. Anong gagamitin mong dyan? Anong gagamitin mong formula? Will you use this point slope form? Yes, meron kang point slope form. Remember, what is a point slope form? Yung formula niya. Point slope form, ayan. You are given the slope and then the points. Malalaman mo yung equation of the line. You will know the equation of the line. What is the length of the line segment? Ngayon, hanapin mo rin yung kanyang tatamaan. Mamaya, hanapin muna natin yung kanyang equation. So, the equation is y point slope form. M equal to y1 over x minus x sub 1. Yung M mo is 4/3 equal to yung y minus y1 that is 4. Tapos yung x minus 6. Okay. Cross multiply na natin yung dalawa. 4x minus 24 equal to 3y minus 12. Pagsama-samahin natin sa isang bahagi. Okay? That is 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation now of the line. Pwede natin siyang i-plot na gamit ang ating GeoGebra. So, plotting ng points, graphing calculator. Okay. Input natin dito yung nakuha natin na 4x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 12. 4x minus 3y equal to 12. Ayan. This is the line. for x minus 3y equal to 12. Ayan. Yan yung points natin. Nang makikita mo dito kung ano yung mga intercept niya. Ano bang kukunin mo? X-intercept o Y-intercept? Tinatanong dito is, what is the length of the line segment that extends from 0.64 to the y-axis? Asan ba yung y-axis dyan? To the y-axis. 6 to 4, tapos y-axis. Lagyan natin ng point ng 6,4. Okay? 0.64. Ayan. Okay. Six and 4. Ayun. Dito, tapos yung sa y-intercept. So, saan siya tumama? Ito yung y-intercept mo, ha? Check mo. Saan siya tumama? So, the y-intercept is negative 4. The line segment, the length. Okay? So, meron ka ng dalawang points at 6, 4, tapos yung 0 and negative 4. Actually, pwede mo na isolve kagad to. Pero mas gusto ko, inosolve ko muna yung line segment. Pero mas madali na to, nalaman mo na that from 6, 4, yung point 1, 6, 4, tapos tumama siya to the y-intercept. Ano ba yung y-intercept niya? B is negative 4. Yan. Malaman mo na. Eh, yung y-intercept na yan, di ba, ang x mo dyan is 0. Oh. Alam mo na ngayon, gamitin mo na yung distance formula. Okay. Ano bang point 1 mo? Ito, kahit saan dyan. So, 6 minus 0 squared plus 4 minus bali plus 4 squared. Now, the answer will be, for the distance, bali, natin, mode 1, square root ng 6 squared plus 8 squared. The answer is 10 units. Tama? 4, 4, 64 plus 36, that is 10 units. So, that is for part 1 ng ating analytic geometry. Okay? Let us take a 5-minute break.